Hey guys, what's up? It's me coming from GNA today. So I took out the Taurus TX22 competition. Took it out this afternoon, Saturday afternoon, to shoot it some more. The weather was way better today than it was 2 days ago when I first took it out. Wind was still blowing about 10 miles an hour, but that's better than 30 to 40. So it was pretty calm. There's a couple things I wanted to do with it today. The one thing for sure I wanted to do was get some slow motion video of it. And in some of that video, the first part I'm going to show you is just shooting it at regular speed so you can see that. But the actual shooting in slow-mo is incredibly difficult to do. Really, it's a two-man job, and I was, as always, it's always a one-man job with me, but I was doing it by myself, and it was very difficult. So on some of those, yeah, you'll see me just holding it with one hand, and it was definitely limp wrist because it was just very, very difficult to get the slow-mo shot. So I totally know that through there. But anyways, I think I got some decent slow-mo video of it. Some of it's out of focus, but you can still see what's going on with it. I did do a little bit of accuracy testing with that. I'm going to put that in another video. But once I figured I was shooting a little bit high, got that down and went back and shot on some steel again. And this thing just runs really, really good. And having that dot on there definitely just makes this just very, very quick to get on target and to be able to do some good, fast shooting with this thing. So very cool. Anyways, I'm going to show that slow-mo video today. Be coming in from GNA today. Thanks for watching.